Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to show you how to perform a maintenance of the exhaust gas aftertreatment system recovery process. First, we locate the brand and the model of our machine, in this case, Colorado Impact Equipment, Liebherr brand and model A920. We select the EDC17CV41 engine management system. We identify the connector to use, the JDC 217.9-inch, the case of our machine, and where to connect. Once connected to the system, we access the maintenance menu, where the maintenance related to the exhaust gas aftertreatment system is available. The maintenance we want to perform is the recovery process of the exhaust gas aftertreatment system. This process will allow us to clean the aftertreatment system and reduce the ash and soot loads accumulated in the system.